Namaskaram. If you've ever lived in a school or college hostel, you'll know the value of food. It's the best coveted thing, and especially at night when you're either studying or chatting with friends, as is usually the case. Plus, you're at the age where you're perpetually hungry. In this video, I'm going to give you some easy ideas for late night snacks. These are quick and healthy snacks that can be made in a few minutes. This video is also for all those who work late nights and crave food at that time. If you haven't already, we'd be grateful if you can like, share, and subscribe to this channel. It's easy to pick up readily available snack options like a packet of chips or biscuits, but these are the worst things that you can have, especially late at night. All these foods contain unhealthy ingredients like refined sugar, maida, unhealthy fat, refined oil, and preservatives. Consumed regularly, such foods can lead to blood sugar fluctuations, sleep difficulties, depression, and even hormonal imbalance. But you already knew this, didn't you? So what can you do to pacify your hunger cravings? Well, if you are snacking in the middle of the night, you might as well make it healthy, right? Here are some things to try. Try the golden milk. Golden milk is made with milk, turmeric, and other spices. This not only satisfies hunger, but is loaded with many benefits and is ideal for late night consumption. It is a soothing drink and very easy to make. Curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, helps reduce symptoms of depression and helps you feel calmer. Milk helps in getting good night's sleep too, but not regularly. Remember this. To make golden milk, warm a cup of milk, add half a teaspoon of ground turmeric powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Wait till the milk cools a little to add a teaspoon of honey or jaggery if you like. An excellent late night snack is Phool Makhana. If you're craving something crunchy, drop the packet of chips and try this instead. Makhana is an excellent source of important nutrients and is a light and easy to digest snack. Being high in antioxidants, it also helps to stabilize blood sugar levels and also supports weight management. Makhana is easily available in all grocery stores. Avoid the packed flavored ones as they contain preservatives. So you can make it on your own very easily. Dry roast the makhana with some salt to make it crisp. You can also roast it with a teaspoon of ghee. Sprinkle your favorite masala on it and voila, your midnight snack is ready. Have you tried soaked or boiled groundnuts? Groundnuts are full of proteins, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. They're very easy to digest. Also, boiled groundnuts have nearly 4 times the number of antioxidants found in other preparations. All you need to do is boil the groundnuts for a while and drain it. Add salt, pepper, and some lime as per your taste. If you want, add some onions and tomatoes in it to make it more chatpata and tasty. If you don't have the facility for boiling or are too lazy to do it late in the night, you can soak it earlier in the day for the same effect. Dry roasted chickpeas or chana are an excellent snack and give you an instant boost of energy. They contain protein, fiber, and healthy carbs and are also easy to digest. Roasted chickpeas help lower cholesterol and also give you stronger bones. A small cup of roasted chana along with a small piece of jaggery can keep your tummy happy and satisfy your late night hunger cravings. To prepare, mix a cup of powdered jaggery with a tablespoon of water and cook it on a medium flame. After the jaggery melts into the water, add a cup of roasted chana to it and give it a good stir, and your snack is ready to eat. Another simple yet fulfilling snack is soaked raisins. Raisins provide instant energy and keep you feeling full and satisfied. The benefits of soaked raisins are plenty, from weight loss to good bone health. They are a rich source of fiber and help in providing relief from constipation, bloating, and acid reflux. Take a handful of raisins and wash them well a couple of times. Then soak them for an hour in water and wash them well before consuming. This is a tasty treat because raisins are slightly sweet. It is also easy to make and has no cooking or preparation time. Ayurveda recommends that certain foods that are generally considered healthy must be avoided late at night. This includes fruit juices, curd, raw salads and vegetables. Since these foods are cold, consuming them at night can lead to sinus problems and aggravate arthritis. It is also important to know that as per Ayurveda, eating late at night provokes the kapha dosha, which makes you feel sluggish, lethargic, heavy and dull. If you go to bed immediately after your evening meal, when your food is still undigested, you will feel uncomfortable. If you continue this eating habit long term, it can lead to weight gain, bloating and acid reflux. It can even trigger stress hormones and cause disturbed sleep. Studies have also found that those who ate after 6 p.m. had peaked blood sugar levels and reduced fat burning ability. Eating before 6 p.m. has positive health benefits such as lowering of blood sugar levels and faster metabolism. We all know that late night eating is not a good habit. It is sometimes unavoidable. So the next time you're feeling hungry late at night, instead of going for packaged snacks and bottled beverages, try these healthy alternatives to keep yourself healthy. Let us know which tip you like the best. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more informational videos. Until next time, pranam.
To get online personalized diet charts from us, you can contact +91 88 765 68310 or WhatsApp +91 939 56 38982.